Hello there guys, this is Pranav aka Saiyan Prince. This is my first ever YouTube video. This is about my selfie stick. I'll be talking about my overview of my new selfie stick, which I'll also be using for my YouTube vlogs. I hope you enjoy. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is the box it came in. Here the price tag, I'm not sure if you can see, but it's written 1399, so 1400. I got it for somewhere around 600 or 699, I don't remember. So this is how the box was. Inside this we had this. It was in this plastic. Also it has a user manual, I guess. Yep, here you have the user manual. You can scan this if you want to see how to use the selfie stick. It's quite easy. You'll also get a small remote with it. It does fix in itself in the selfie stick, but yeah, if you're capturing a video, then you can certainly take this out and see, this is how it blinks. So yeah, you can start or stop your video or even click pictures with this. So this is how it looks outside the box. You just have to open this, open these flaps and put your phone in. You just have to stretch this. This has a quite good hold. This will snugly fit your phone here inside. Of course it's quite long. Ow. Yeah, quite long. You can click great selfies with this. Even you'd be able to capture good videos. If you're a new YouTuber like me, this could be your first selfie stick. So this is how it looks while you're using the selfie stick. It has a quite long handle and a good one, so you'll get a good grip. I'm sure this will give you good stabilization in videos, and also you can click great selfies with this. And see how this looks, and the video is quite stable. It's not shaking even when my auto stabilization on my phone is off. It's not shaking. See how great the video quality is while we are using the selfie stick. And the best thing is I can stop the video with the remote on the selfie stick like this. Now the best thing about the selfie stick, it can be used as a tripod. So it's a selfie stick cum tripod. Let me show you. So this is my phone mounted on the tripod cum selfie stick, and I'll be starting the video on that. I'll be starting the video on my phone with the help of this small remote like this. And I can also stop the video on my command like this. Hi again. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, hit a thumbs up. If you didn't like the content, hit a thumbs down. And make sure you do subscribe to my channel. Also do comment if you're going to go ahead and buy the selfie stick. For now, signing off. Take care. Bye bye. And I'll make sure I leave the products link in description. Ta-da.